Hey everyone, it's Neil and I'm here with Penny over here. And we got this doggy toy. We're gonna see what this is and how it works. See if we can figure this out. It looks like it does this, and you can see you can put treats and things in different sections, and then they have to figure out where it is. So let's see if we can do this here. We'll put some little pieces in that one, in that one there. It's a little doggy. I don't need to use the whole treat. That one. Oh, well, I guess she's gonna get the whole one here. There's a little piece there, and a little piece there. There you go, Penny. You wanna get some? You wanna get some foodies? Look at that. See if you can figure it out. Oops. You see this? Look, look, Penny. Look. You see the treats? You want a treat? Well, she doesn't seem too interested now, but I'm sure she will when she wakes up. It's late at night. But it looks cool. She'll have it. It's fun.